Hey everybody, Jim back here again, Racers and Rods Media Network. Hey, we're doing something kind of unique today that we like to do. We're out here in Arcadia, Florida. We're here for the second day at Nugget Ranch RC Raceway. Hidden gem here in Arcadia, Florida. Beautiful, beautiful RC track. This is the annual Cow Patty Classic 2024. Talked to some people here from locally. Gentlemen have an interview here. You'll see gentleman's over here from Germany. He has a hobby shop in Germany. He races. He's going to fly back home. He's going to be home for about 24 hours, and he's flying with his group, his race group, to Thailand to race over there in a race. So this is a big deal. There's very fast people here, very fast cars, incredible setups that you'll see here. I've done walkthroughs of the pits, some of the cars, some of the people here are camping. They have RVs. They have some gentlemen that have trailers where they have all their pit stuff set up in it, their workbenches and everything. So, you know, this isn't just toys. This isn't playing around. I talked to Greg, the owner here. He's been racing today. He hasn't had a whole lot of chance to talk to me. I talked to him a little bit yesterday, and he was saying that, you know, basically just the car set up to race without all the toys, without all the tools, without all the other things that you need. You're talking basically in the $2,000 to $3,000 range for a good high-performance car. He was swapping out a motor yesterday. I asked him about the motor. He said he was about a half second behind where he usually is here on the track, so he was going to try another motor, see if he was having problems with the other one. He said those are about $500 a pop. I've seen guys here with boxes that have 6, 7, 8 motors in a box. It's an incredible sport. I used to be involved in the electric side of this long time ago when I was younger. Nothing like this. This is high end. So I'm going to do some voiceover, tell you a little bit about the track, tell you a little bit about the event, have a couple interviews here. I shot a bunch of video of the cars on the track. I've shot stuff in the pits. So I think this is pretty cool. You know, we are Racers and Rods. This is a racing event. You know, we're trying to cover something different. So give me a shout out. Tell me if you like this. Tell me else, you know, if there's something else that we can cover that you want to see. We'll definitely be back. We're going to cover more events here at Nuggets Raceway Park. This is a very nice facility here. So you're going to see the video here. I'm going to do some voiceover. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the place. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you next time.
Welcome to Nuggets Ranch RC Raceway. It is an on-road racing facility located in Arcadia, Florida. This 224 by 100 paved racing facility was originally built in 2010. The RC track was designed to be forgiving to the new racer, as well as a challenge to the experienced driver. The track itself is bordered by an exterior barrier with interior track dividers to keep the cars safe and separated. It boasts a smooth blacktop asphalt, providing exceptional grip with plenty of runoff room in the corners. There is a raised covered driver stand that provides great views of the track no matter where you stand, as well as 2 covered pit areas that host 94 pit spaces in total. And this hidden gem of the racing world is a great facility. We hope you enjoy Racers and Rods media coverage of the 2024 Cow Patty Classic Race Weekend. The 4-day event allows for plenty of practice for the competitors and multiple qualifying sessions in 6 different categories, with all of the over 100 drivers on site trying to be part of the A-main race in their respective classes. Qualifying runs last for 4 minutes with the driver's fastest lap determining their starting spot in the races. The track uses a modified Le Mans type start with a pit crew member handling the car and getting it set for the drop of the green flag. These cars are no toys, with most classes consisting of nitro cars powered by a mixture of nitromethane, methanol, and oil in a small high revving engine that can power these machines to over 70 miles per hour at Nugget Ranch. There are also battery powered or electric classes available.
I don't think I'm going anywhere, so I'll try something. Somewhere in all this, I've lost half a second a lap, and I don't know where, so I'm changing them.
My name is Thilo Diekmann. I'm from Germany. I'm here with Johnson RC team from Germany, mainly Capricorn distributor in Europe, and we enjoy some fun in the sun here.
So you said you own a hobby shop in Germany?
Yes, I have a hobby shop in Germany and also some other countries I support. And yeah, we choose this as a winter opportunity to make some holiday. And
oh, this is very nice.
yeah,
very nice weather.
now, yeah, in Germany the season is over now. We restart next year, so this is super nice to
So how long
just escape.
have you been racing?
I race since I'm 16.
Yeah.
In the beginning, mainly electric touring cars, and
Me too. I did the same thing.
since 12 years I'm running Nitro now. Yes.
Okay. So
And
you've been running this
it has
for-
become a big part of my life now with the hobby shop, of course.
Yeah, obviously. So, and you said you have another big race that you're going to.
Yeah, we have the World Score 110 scale, which is the touring car class, this car, and I'm going there to join the team, and I also drive myself, and yeah. So
Where is that?
it's in Thailand, in Bangkok.
Oh, okay.
It's just beginning next Friday. Yeah, so I will leave Germany. I will arrive in Germany on Tuesday, and I'm leaving on Wednesday.
Wow.
So wash the clothes and then went
lot
back.
of travel then.
Yeah, yeah.
Moving up in the 6th overall. Lazarus second. This person gave him a 16.401. We're moving to 9th overall.
Here's how the rear tires. So there'll be tire changes tomorrow.
30 minutes.
30 minutes, that's right.
30 minutes of living hell.
Yeah, that's a long time. How many fuel stops is that?
Every 4 minutes. 7.
7? Wow.
I quickly noticed that this is a team sport, with the driver handling race duties and at least one pit member making adjustments and fuel changes on the car during the 30-minute feature races. Most teams use headsets to communicate between team members during the race, as they make numerous fuel and tire stops on the pit road during races. Just like NASCAR, Formula One, and other forms of racing, the crew members are crucial to a good finish as they work quickly to service the car and get it back into the race.
We need to be out there. Turn forward. Move back into the race. Far corner there.
Name's Steve Pendergraft. Live over in Davenport, Florida.
Davenport, okay.
A little bit southwest of Orlando. I live right there at 27 and I-4.
Oh, okay. All right. And you come over here, do you race here often?
A
or?
lot.
A lot?
This is like my home gas track.
Okay.
Enjoy coming here. Love the track. We run in both directions and the track works well, both directions.
Oh, I didn't know they run the other
Yeah,
direction.
we run the other way. So last year we ran clockwise. This year we're running counterclockwise.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. Very
Yeah.
good. So you run electric also? You said
Yeah, I
this
run-
is your gas track.
I run this electric also. I run 10 scale sedan.
Okay.
Ran the B main, had a couple little mishaps, didn't bump up to the A. It happens. Nothing to do with anything but the driver. So then I got electric. So the only thing bad about this car is we run first, we run last. So we're right here to the end of the day. But it's good times. I get to help a couple guys out with pitting and stuff like that.
Right, right.
Yeah, so it's all good times.
Stay inside. Stay inside the door. Stay inside. Stay the inside the door. My favorite. One second. About 2 seconds. And now you're off the top. We're going back out there.
You mind if I ask you where you guys from?
I'm Fort Myers.
Fort Myers?
Fort Charlotte.
Fort Charlotte. So you're pretty close then.
Yeah.
This is a nice setup. Just an easy way to bring everything with you, right? You don't have to set up in the pits. You don't have to unpack anything.
Stays right
Very
there.
cool. Awesome. Thank you.
Second position. There he is, right behind Blue. So Blue got a 2-lap lead. Meanwhile, now as I was watching, they're only 9 seconds
We'd like to
down
thank Greg and
from
Melanie for allowing us
Jose
access to the facility, and to all of the competitors who were nice enough to speak with us during the weekend. You can find Nuggets Ranch Raceway at www.nuggetsranchraceway.com.
Hector Montanero back up to the 4th position. Juan Gaston in 5th. Michael Haley 6th. And Ivan 7th. Massimo. Ben Franco